Hello, this is Tariq and today I'm going to teach you basic Urdu sentences. So let us start. Our first sentence, don't yell. How to pronounce in Urdu don't yell? Listen carefully. Chikho mat. Chikho mat. Chikho mat. Have you understood what did I pronounce? Okay, now last time repeat after me. I will speak slowly, okay? Chi ho mat. Chi ho mat. Chi ho mat. Now look at the second sentence. Boys make a noise in class. How to say in Urdu? Let's see. Ladke. Ladke means boys. Class. When we say class in Urdu and English, same pronunciation and same way as you say class, we say also class in Urdu also. Okay. Ladke class में शोर मचाते हैं. लड़के क्लास में शोर मचाते हैं. लड़के क्लास में शोर मचाते हैं. Now listen carefully because I'm going to pronounce very slowly, okay? लड़के लड़के क्लास में शोर मचाते हैं. Okay, listen carefully. Noise mean shore. Noise mean shore. Make a noise mean shore machana. In means in Urdu may, and class is class. Okay, so look at another sentence. Anyone has a watch. Anyone has a watch. How to say in Urdu? किसी के पास घड़ी है. किसी के पास घड़ी है. किसी के पास घड़ी है. Now I will speak slowly and you have to listen carefully. किसी don't say kiss, okay? It's kisi, okay? Kisi, not kiss. Okay, so kisi k, don't say k, it's k, because in English the native speaker usually say k, but it's not k, it's k, okay? Pass घड़ी घड़ी है. Now listen carefully. किसी के anyone. किसी mean किसी के anyone. Has या have means pass. Has is showing possession in this sentence, so when it used for possession, we use has meaning as pass. Pass mean near. Pass mean ownership. Pass mean you have something in your hand, you have something your own. So pass means has. Okay. A watch, घड़ी, watch, घड़ी. Okay, next sentence. Get in the car. How to say in Urdu? Look at the sentence. Car. You usually say car. We say car, 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 not car. Okay, car. Okay, because there is a some difference between pronunciation and accent problems in Urdu and English. We say K, we say K, you say K. We say P, you say P. Like this. I never understand these pronunciation. Okay, so don't ask me about the pronunciation. Okay, so car, oh sorry, कार के अंदर आ जाओ. Listen carefully. कार के अंदर आ जाओ. Get in the car. कार के अंदर आ जाओ. Now listen carefully. I will speak slowly. Okay, you have to imitate me. कार, कार, कार के अंदर, अंदर, अंदर आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. Have you got it? Okay, now next. Next, get off the car. Get off the car. Look at the sentence. How to say in Urdu? कार, कार से उतर जाओ. कार से उतर जाओ. कार से उतर जाओ. Let me tell you one more thing about this sentence. You are telling this in Urdu very formally. Okay, you are not saying just say be off or get out the car. You are saying please get off the car. You are requesting or you are saying to very politely. So when we say very politely to get out the car or get off the car, so you can say car, repeat after me, car से उतर जाओ. But listen carefully, you are using very polite accent. Okay, if you say बाहर उतर जाओ, निकल जाओ, उतर जाओ, don't say like this. Don't say in angry way. You have to say very polite way. Okay, so कार से उतर जाओ. Now next one. I don't know about this sentence because I never heard this sentence from any foreigner. So please let me know, is it correct? I'm going to read and I'm going to ask this question from you. Today question, are you going? Shall I leave you? Let me tell you, I don't know what you think about this sentence, but in Pakistan people think are you going means you are going to go to your house. But when I say are you going, so it means are you going, I'm asking the question. Shall I leave you, it means I will drop you. Okay, so it's really difficult for you because it's a idiom for us in Urdu idiom, like we just say in fun because we just want to tease our friends. We just say, oh, are you going? Shall I leave you? जा रहे हो या छोड़ के आओ. It means you are just taunt someone. You are just saying in polite, in lovely manner, in friendly manner. You are saying, are you going? Or I will drop you. But you have to say only to your friend in Urdu. Okay, I just want to make sure you have to use this sentence in front of your friend, not in front of your elders, not in front of your parents, okay, or any other person. You should and you must use this sentence in front of your friend because it's really funny, and it wants to tease someone in a funny manner. But mostly friends do not care about this. They will not mind. But if you say this sentence in Urdu to the elders or parents, so they will slap you, they will hit you, they will beat you. Maybe in foreigners, they parents do not beat the child, but here parents barely and very you can say parents beat the children. Okay, i also uh, i also I also faced this problem when I was child. Okay, so are you going? Shall I leave you? Listen carefully how to pronounce in Urdu. Kya, kya. Don't say kya. Okay, don't do kya. Don't do this. Okay, kya तुम जा रहे हो या छोड़ कर आओ. Don't say like this because I am saying in rhythm, because I'm just saying like a song, but don't do this. Okay, क्या तुम जा रहे हो या छोड़ कर आऊं? क्या तुम जा रहे हो या छोड़ कर आऊं? Listen carefully, one by one. I will repeat very slowly. You have to listen carefully. क्या तुम, क्या तुम जा रहे, जा रहे हो? क्या तुम जा रहे हो? क्या तुम जा रहे हो? क्या तुम जा रहे हो या छोड़ कर आऊं? या छोड़ कर आऊं? Okay, next one. Boys. I don't know how to pronounce this word because one of my sisters said that you pronounce incorrectly about this word boys. I don't know is it correct or not, but I don't know about pronunciation. If I make any mistake in pronunciation, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, so maybe I'm saying incorrect. Okay, so boys fly a kite. So how to say in Urdu? Let's see. Boys mean ladke. Don't say ladka. Ladka is only a boy. When you say boys, it means ladke. Ladke. There are two meaning in Urdu ladke. One is ladke for boys. One is ladai karna ladke. It means you fight with someone. So now you are using as a noun, not a verb. So here is ladke means a boys. Okay, here meaning is boys, ladke. Patang. Patang means kite. Okay. Udate means fly. है, लड़के पतंग उड़ाते हैं. लड़के पतंग उड़ाते हैं. Boys fly a kite. Now next one. Girls sing a song. Girls sing a song. The same when you say ladke, it means boys. And when you say ladkiyan, ladkiyan, it means girls. Okay, don't not one girl, there are so many girls. When you say ladkiyan, if you want to say the singular word for girl, so you have to say in Urdu ladki. Ladki, ladki for one girl, and ladkiyan it's for plural like girls. Okay, ladkiyan गाना गाती हैं. लड़कियां गाना गाती हैं. गाना mean song and gati mean sing. Okay, लड़कियां गाना गाती हैं. I'm explaining you because I want you to understand the full meaning. Okay, so don't worry about this. Hands up. I don't remember when I was very weak in English. So at that time I try to learn these sentences. It is these are my basic sentences. So I used to learn these sentences again and again, and using in my really in my daily routine at that time. But after some time I forgot. So but it's really compulsory. It's really, you should know about these basic sentence, because it will help you to improve your English, improve your Urdu. It will help you to speak in front of the Urdu speaker, and it will improve your pronunciation also, and it will improve your accent in Urdu accent. So there are so many ways to learn Urdu, but this is the very effective way to learn Urdu. Okay, effortless, you can say it's effort. It's you have to struggle so much to learn these sentences. Okay, so please work hard and you will get success. Now, hands up means हाथ हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ ऊपर करो. Mostly policemen said to someone, or thief, or robbers, they said hands up. So you have to say in Urdu, हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ ऊपर करो. Okay, there are so many ways to say this sentence in Urdu. हाथ खड़े करो, हाथ ऊपर करो, हाथ खड़े करो, बात एक ही है. Okay, हाथ खड़े करो, हाथ ऊपर करो. There are two ways to say this in Urdu. You have to remember, when we say हाथ ऊपर करो या हाथ खड़े करो, both are same. Okay, next one, how is it possible? How is it possible? ये कैसे मुमकिन है? ये कैसे मुमकिन है? This is very most important sentence you can use in your Urdu or in your native language. ये कैसे मुमकिन है? ये कैसे मुमकिन है? ये कैसे मुमकिन है? ये कैसे मुमकिन है? Next, don't walk, don't walk, don't walk. चलो मत, चलो मत, चलो मत. I'm going to speak slowly. चलो, चलो मत, मत. Okay, next, don't play with me. There are two senses to use this sentence. Don't play with me, मेरे साथ मत खेलो. And the other one, you are children mostly say don't play with me. But when a senior person, when a younger or elder person say this line, the meaning is different. So but in Urdu there is same meaning. Play with me, मेरे साथ मत खेलो. Okay, whether you are children or elder, it doesn't matter. You can use in any situation this sentence. Okay, so don't play with me. How to say in Urdu? मेरे साथ, मेरे साथ मत खेलो, मेरे साथ मत खेलो. मेरे means me, साथ with, mat don't, play खेलो. Okay, why are you late? Why are you late? My teachers always beat me because I came late in the school. Okay, why are you late? How to say in Urdu? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Repeat after me. I'm going to speak very slowly. तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? Okay, Now the last one, I hope. I hope. When I start speaking English, so at that time I use this sentence in every Urdu phrase and sentences. Before starting any sentence, I used to say, do you know? I used to say, basically, I used to say, actually, and I used to say, I hope so, I hope. Like these are common. I used to say in my Urdu speaking when I was trying to learn English, but I was disappointed because I was get fail again and again in speaking English at that time. Still, I think my English is not good. Still I'm thinking my English is not good because I'm not perfect. Okay, so I hope, how to say in Urdu, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. There are only two words in English, but there are four words in Urdu. This is very strange thing. It's really strange thing. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. मैं I उम्मीद करता mean hope. Okay, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. Some people think why we use है, who, है. It's show the present. It show time tense. You know, present simple. If you know, so this the word who, है show present time of present. Okay, so now one more time I'm going to speak very fast. You have to just listen how to say a native speaker can speak this sentence without any getting stuck. Like I am getting stuck in English, but when I say Urdu I will not get stuck. So you have to understand what am I saying. So now I'm not going to speak English. I will totally speak Urdu. Okay, listen carefully. चीखो मत. लड़के क्लास में शोर मचाते हैं. सॉरी. किसी के पास गाड़ी है? कार के अंदर आ जाओ. कार से उतर जाओ. क्या तुम जा रहे हो या छोड़ कर आऊं? लड़के पतंग उड़ाते हैं. लड़कियां गाना गाती हैं. हाथ ऊपर करो. ये कैसे मुमकिन है? चलो मत. मेरे साथ मत खेलो. तुम्हें देर क्यों हुई? मैं उम्मीद करता हूं. Now it's time for golden words. So let us start our golden words. It's my favorite one. Okay, so look at the sentence or look at the quotes of the day. Never play with the feelings of other, because you may win the game, but the risk is that you will surely lose the person for the lifetime. How to say in Urdu? Never play with the feeling of others. It means कि दूसरों के जज्बात के साथ कभी मत खेलो. फीलिंग मीन जज्बात. बिकॉज यू मे विन द गेम. शायद तुम ये खेल जीत जाओ, बट द रिस्क इज डैट. लेकिन ख़तरा ये है, यू विल श्योरली लूज द पर्सन फॉर द लाइफ टाइम. आप उस शख्स को खो दोगे जो आपसे मोहब्बत करता है या जो आपके साथ है, उसको ज़िंदगी भर के लिए खो दोगे. सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट हर्ट एनी वन and don't play with the feelings of other, because it is necessary to understand, because if you play with someone, someone will play with you, because whatever you do, it will come after some time in front of you. So I mean, I want to say, don't hurt anyone. Don't hurt anyone, any feelings. Okay, and do not try to time pass, because time pass is just for you, not for others. Okay, and maybe you do this, maybe you are good at making fool, you are good at making you are good at insulting someone, you are good at doing something. You think you are better, and you can insult anyone, and you can say blah 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 anyone, and you can abuse anyone. But you know, in the end, people will leave you, people will not talk to you, and people will think that you are not a good person, you are a bad person, you don't have manner to talk, you don't have, you don't we shouldn't talk to you, because It is a human fact. If you do something for anyone, they will do something for you. If you give sorry, if you really want to be a good person, don't play with the feelings of others, and respect other, give respect and take respect. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like, so please thumbs up. Okay, and if you dislike, oh, I think you should report this video, because I'm not good teacher. I'm not a good teacher. Okay, so just enjoy yourself, take care, hasta la vista.